alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Miss Asma Tariq is here with you. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about processing and storage devices. The learning objectives are understand main memory or primary memory, RAM and ROM, secondary memory or backup storage. Let's see what is computer memory. A computer uses its memory to store data and information. Memory devices are also called storage devices. There are two types of computer memory. Number one is main memory or primary storage. Number two is backup memory or secondary storage. Computer memory is divided into two parts, main memory or primary memory. It is also called the internal memory. Primary memory divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory has consist of multiple devices. It is also called the external memory or secondary memory. Hard disk, compact disk, CD-ROM, CDR, CDRW, DVD-ROM, SD memory cards, USBs or pen drives, and smart cards and cloud storage are also part of the secondary memory. Let's see what is primary memory or main memory. The main memory is located on the CPU. It stores data and instructions that help the computer to work properly. Moving data from backup storage to main memory is called loading. There are two main types of primary storage, RAM and ROM. They are like identical twins but each has a very specific task to perform. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM stores information temporarily. Information on RAM can be accessed very quickly. It can be added, changed, or deleted any number of times. RAM is highly volatile. As soon as power to the system is lost, information in RAM is deleted. For example, if you were writing a story on a computer, it would hold your words in its RAM until you were ready to print out your story. It is important to save your work from time to time. ROM, read only memory. ROM is permanent or you can say it is non-volatile type of memory. Information stored in ROM cannot be changed. This information helps the computer to work properly. It tells the computer how to start up, upload the operating system, and shut down. Now come on the backup storage or secondary storage of the computer. Backup storage stores data permanently. For this reason, it is also called the permanent storage. It is not the part of the CPU. It is also called removable storage because it can be removed from one computer and attached to any other computer. A backup storage medium is the material on which data is stored. A CD is a storage medium. A backup storage device copies and reads data on a storage medium. Moving data from backup storage to the main memory is called loading. And moving data from the main memory to backup storage is called saving. On some storage media, we can jump to the data we need. This is called the direct access. On other storage media, we have to read from the start to get to the data we need. This is called a serial access. An audio cassette stores data on magnetic tape. Magnetic tapes provide serial access. An audio CD stores data on a laser disc. This provides direct access. The hard disk and the hard disk drive. A hard disk is a permanent storage medium installed inside a computer. It is also called an internal hard disk. It consists of one or more flat disks coated with a magnetic substance. A hard disk drive consists of a spindle on which the hard disk rotates. A read-write head writes and reads data on the disk. The amount of information that can be saved on the hard disk depends on its size. Some types of hard disk can be removed from the computer and carried around. They can also store more data than internal hard disks. Hard disk cartridge and hard disk specs are examples of portable hard disks. They are used with mini computers and mainframe computers. If a magnet is brought near a magnetic disk such as a hard disk, the stored data can become damaged. There is a less chance of this happening with the internal hard disk than with external hard disk. Laser drives uses a head that emits a strong beam of light to burn tiny holes on the surface of a laser disc as it rotates. This makes the changes permanent. The questions related to this topic are: question number 1: what is computer memory? Question number 2: what is the difference between primary storage and secondary storage? Question number 3: write down the differences between RAM and ROM. Now come on the question number 4: why is there a need for two different types of memory, main memory? Question number 5: why is backup storage necessary? Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe this video and subscribe my channel. Stay connected with Asma Tariq. Allah Hafiz.